Hey, Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. Facebook website promotions. Is it worth it? I'll tell you. So as many of you know, if you've seen my previous video, I did a website promotion on my Facebook page, Hooked on Pickin. So if you're looking for me on Facebook, I'd love to chat with you, Hooked on Pickin. But I was actually promoting my website, HookedOnPickin.com, where I've got a lot of products for sale. And I wanted to give you the details of when I actually did a promotion via my Facebook page, was it worth it? So I'm going to give you the details now. So I ran the promotion for 10 days, my website promotion. And what happened was I targeted men and women ages 18 to 65, and it usually picks the location where you're near. This ad ran for 10 days, and so I budgeted $1 a day. Now, the more money per day that you budget, the more people it actually goes out to, but I just did $1 per day because I was just using this as an experiment to figure out what to do. So my total budget for this promotion on my Facebook page was $10. I actually spent a total of $9.97. And you're asking, why is it not exactly $10? Well, they do an average of $10. So it can be a little bit over $10 or a little bit under $10. So just take that into consideration whenever doing a Facebook post. And that's all in the information when you go to set up the promotion to begin with. So with the 10 days, I was actually able to reach with that post 385 people, which averaged out to be just about 2.5 cents that I spent per person reached. But the biggie is, yeah, you want to reach people, but the biggie is you want them to actually click on that link and go to your website or whatever it is you're promoting. So I actually, in the 10 days, got 15 link clicks, which means when they saw the post, they clicked on it to check it out. So that was a customer acquisition of, I spent $9.97, 15 link clicks was $66, or not dollars, 66 cents that I spent per person that actually clicked on my link. And once I did that post, it sent people to my HookedOnPickin.com website where I've got a lot of my products for sale. And so I'm hoping that those 15 link clicks turn into actual sales. And I have been selling some things on my website. So I don't know if it's a direct correlation, but it definitely doesn't hurt having people view your website. And every time, once I started this promotion, I did notice that my website views did go up. And so that was a definite bonus. And so I had 15 link clicks. I had 1 page like, which means they actually went to my Hooked on Pickin Facebook page and liked it, which means now they're following me. And then I had 2 people actually share this promotion. So once they saw it, they were like, oh, interesting. They went to my website and they actually shared this promotion. And so that's my detail on just spending $1 a day, which averaged out to be $9.97. I actually reached a lot more people to my website. I'm doing a few other promotions that I want to talk about. So check out my other videos of my Facebook promotions that I'm doing. And I've gotten some really, really good results from those. And so I'll share those with those. So share those with you. And so if you want to check those out, check my other videos I got coming up. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.